The A says The A says ah. The B says the B says the B says b. The B says b. Ano ang bibi? Oh, the C says k. Ikaw. K. On. The E. Oh. The E says eh. Kylie. The E says eh. Eh. Iba. Eh. Eh. The E says eh. Again. Eh. The F says the F says B. Ana. The G says G. G. Kylie, G. G nasa G. The H. The H says the H says ikaw. This one be. What shape is this? Circle. Very good. Up here. Good job. How about this one? What shape is this? Circle. How about this one? What shape is this? Don't stand up there. This one. Look at this. Baby. What shape is this? This one. This one, oh? Kani, oh? It's a... What's this? Oh. Langga. Baby. Unsa man ni shape? This one. Unsa man ni? What's this, babe? Kylie, what's this? What is this, anak? This one? Unsa man na, anak? Unsa man ni? Kani ba? Uy, ala. Thanks. Unsa man ni? Tell me usa. Ay, wa man kaning tingog. Baby, Oli. What is this? Ano? Unsa man ni, nak? Unsa na? Oh, unsa man ni? What's this? It's a star. Hala, kalimot.